This paint is from Vincent van Gogh. Vincent van Gogh's depiction of starry night sky in painting like the Starry Night is often seen as a reflection of his emotion and psychological state, particularly during his time at the Islum. The swirling sky and tense stars may present his altered perceptions and a longing for transcendence. He also found the night sky and its light to be a power subject for artistic expression. During his time at the Islum, Van Gogh struggled with mental illness, which may have led to altered perceptions and heightened emotions. The thrilling sky and exaggerated stars in the Starry Night could be interpreted as a visual presentation of his internal turmoil and emotional state. Some art historians also suggest the thrilling sky may reflect neurological conditions like temporal lobe, epilepsy, or migraine auras, which can cause visual distortions. Van Gogh was deeply fascinated by stars and death. He used the night sky as a canvas to express his personal feelings and experience, often infused with a sense of awe and wonder. The night sky allowed him to create a sense of movement and dynamism, capturing his emotional turbulence. The Starry Night was inspired by the view from Van Gogh's window at the St. Paul de Mausoleum Asylum. He observed the night sky and the landscape around him, incorporating these elements into his artwork. While inspired by nature, he also added his own imaginative and expressive elements, create a unique vision of the night sky. Van Gogh used a distinct style with thick brushstrokes and intense color, which contributed to the painting's expressive quality. The impasto technique he employed, where he applied paint directly from the tube, created a textured and dynamic surface. His use of contrasting colors and the swirling forms of the sky further enhanced the painting's emotion impact.